Human experience and employee well-being will be absolutely at the center of expectations of buildings in the future. These trends are no longer just trends. They are basic expectations from occupiers. So why is this so critical? We've recognized during the pandemic that the built environment actively impacts our health and well-being. But also, as we begin to really look at having the choice of where we work, a building will need to provide a memorable experience to really inspire people to want to come into the office. This issue of well-being is particularly important when we look at the negative impacts of this remote working experience. We know that people are not taking enough breaks between work and life. They're not moving away from their desks enough, and engaging in virtual collaboration tools is far more draining and exhausting and requires far more energy than a face-to-face meeting. So in many ways, we need to help people recover from this period by encouraging healthy breaks, by really embracing the human side that is necessary to establish the most effective way of working and thriving as individuals. This is particularly important as we don't just have 5 generations at work, but we also recognize that those generations have much more neurodiversity than ever before. So our opportunity to really know what people need will be critical as we move forward. That will impact the way that people work, the choices they have when they come into the office to be able to access environments that support them not just ergonomically, but also environmentally to create the right conditions for them to work. An interesting upside of the current remote working experience is that we have really created a new digital equality where a much greater diversity of voices can be heard in a more equal way than ever before. And I think the expectation will inevitably be that that diversity and equality of voice is carried through as we begin to create more hybrid environments